Why don't they tell us about this? Perhaps because the pharmaceutical industry prefers you to stay dependent on medication. But the truth is, these leaves can transform your life. If you're tired of searching for solutions to problems like stress, anxiety, joint pain, or even high cholesterol, it's time to discover the hidden benefits of bay leaf tea. Let's uncover this mystery together and show you how to use this incredible plant to live a healthy life. And who knows, maybe even find the cure for that condition that's been bothering you. Curious? Then stay with me and discover the secret that few know. Bay leaves, often underestimated in the kitchen, hold a real medicinal treasure. Not only do they add flavor to recipes, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties that can be a big help for those suffering from joint pain. Imagine, for example, someone who feels that daily discomfort in their joints. An infusion of bay leaves could be a natural alternative to relieve that pain. Additionally, bay leaves offer important antioxidant protection, fighting free radicals that affect our health in invisible but constant ways. The power of bay leaves goes beyond simply aiding digestion. Who hasn't experienced that uncomfortable stomach feeling after a heavy meal? Bay leaf tea can be an effective solution for this. Its antimicrobial properties also help protect the stomach, fighting harmful bacteria. In this way, bay leaves can be an interesting option for those seeking a healthy life in a natural way. It's fascinating to realize how something so simple, sitting on our kitchen shelves, can be part of a lifestyle that promotes healing and well-being. When preparing a bay leaf infusion, the benefits extend beyond digestive health. People dealing with respiratory conditions, for example, may be surprised to discover that bay leaf tea helps alleviate respiratory tract issues. With its decongestant action, this drink can provide simple relief for that heavy chest feeling that comes with colds or allergies. Isn't it amazing that something so accessible can have such significant effects? And there's still more to explore about the everyday benefits of bay leaves. In addition to being a natural calming agent, bay leaf tea can also help relieve headaches caused by tension and stress. Imagine that throbbing pain that settles in your forehead after hours of work, when pressure and worries take over. Instead of immediately turning to medication, many have found relief by using this infusion as a natural solution. This not only promotes well-being but also gives the body a chance to rebalance itself without overloading the liver. Now that you know the incredible benefits of bay leaf tea, tell me, why keep ignoring simple and natural solutions to improve your health? It's time to apply this knowledge and transform your routine. Do you think it's worth continuing to rely on heavy medications when the cure might be something as accessible as bay leaves? Think about it. What do you prefer? Living a healthy, balanced, natural life, or staying trapped in a cycle of treatments that often only mask the symptoms? Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Bay leaf tea could be the first step toward a revolution in your health. And I ask you, what's stopping you from trying? With so many conditions that can be treated naturally, it's worth following the simpler and more effective path. If you want to keep learning how to take care of your health naturally and easily, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any content that could change your life for good.